broken. We've told the contractor and we've told that the smart city people to bring their engineers. So whatever work is broken, they have to replace because that maintenance amount is still with smart city and with the contractor. So whatever is broken, we've done inspections. So we told them to replace everything. So same with you all. If you all have noticed anything that is off, especially with the work currently done, please bring it to our attention.
So when they are planning to give the smart city to the CCP?
No, so that is another issue that we have also now. So if you look at now, that ground is there opposite Kampal Clinic. That ground is built and now is kept to the department only. Means they have not opened it up to the people. So we have been raising that issue. So yeah, that is what I'm saying. So because of that, internal issues now should not hamper the lives of citizens also. So we've been pushing for that also. Same, that is the same issue only because of. We'll rectify all those issues.
लास्ट मध्ये बिल्डिंग CCP बिल्डिंग उडयली पळय टोटल आनी कितल्यो बिल्डिंग अनसेफ बिल्डिंग्स
That list commissioner will review. We have gotten replies from GC and everything. So some buildings have collapsed already, private buildings, small ones.
Total
we'll give you an updated
buildings
list. Some 10-15 are there also. I'll check and see. I'll give you all that.
Sir, the shooting means you permission is about the residents and traffic problem. That's the highlight that
So that same thing also. See now, ESG has given permissions for certain venues. Now the last time there was an issue, those people did not stick to that designated and they came inside the lane. So we called the police and we cleared them out. So you will have small issues like this. It's a major issue I know for those people living there, but we will rectify those issues as well. But there has been a ban, at least on the internal roads and everything. We do not allow shooting.
Councillors are त्यांना कॉन्फिडन्सान घेना कमिशनरांनी त्यांच्याना ते इश्यू रेज केला की त्यांना काय ते नोटीस बीन दिना म्हणून फॉर मूवी शूटिंग आता करता
ESG now same thing. No shooting is allowed in that area at all. So there is no note. There is no issue of bringing notice to a councillor. If nothing is allowed. Now what these people have done the last time that same issue happened. They had taken permission somewhere else and come to this area, which we stopped. We called the police, we sent our people and we removed them immediately. So like that, if you have people taking advantage unnecessarily, we will rectify those issues also.
Another issue is that near the old post office.
Yeah.
There is always parking in standard parking. People cannot move also over there. Both the side they park, also even the scooter cannot pass.
Even fire brigade moves आहे ना की didn't hold एक दोनों एरिया
But they come from this Pato side, no? Inside.
Yeah.
They are blocking all the sides.
See the same thing now.
There is no parking area.
Same. Parking is a major priority as for this year. Now what is happening is also now if you look at it, Panjim police station actually is very understaffed. There is a shortage around 30-40 traffic police plus 50-60 town police. Now luckily at least our PIs are very good, so they are managing the situation. Now there has been an order passed from the Home Department stating that only PIs and PSIs can fine. Now there is one PSI in Panjim who sits in the office because he has administrative work. So there is basically nobody to fine anybody. So we had requested the government or requested the Home Department to basically fill those posts because there are some PSIs. There are 7 PSIs in Ponda, 8 PSIs somewhere else. So those people should be brought over to Panjim. So at least our traffic situation is thing. So then it will thing. They'll have some control. See, through collector, we have already passed that notification banning taxis. This traffic issue is not a 1 month issue. This will be at least a 6 month to 8 month to 9 month issue. Now there are people who are parking on zebra crossings, who are parking on the footpath, who are parking on the. We have already done a survey with the police department, with the DYSP, PI, everybody. We have notified all of these areas. What we're doing is we're putting bolsters, we're blocking these areas. See, this will take time because tenders have to be prepared, issues have to be notified, roads have to be done. So this will happen in the course of time. Just give us a little time.
We have to do something like
No, I know. But see, Baba, nobody's there to fine you. If only PSI and PI is allowed to fight, PI is going on bandobast duty. Then they are called for some VIP movement or they are called for something else. There is hardly anyone to fine. That is why we are requesting the Home Department to fill up these posts, no? Because if we have 4 or 5 or 6 PSIs available to us, then at least 3-4 people can be dedicated permanently only to chalaning and bringing traffic discipline into the city. Unless that happens, nothing can be done also. Now we are working with the PI and he is doing a very good job with what he can at the moment. RTO also, we've asked RTO to help us remove all these commercial vehicles, gensets. But people now, all these people who are parking gensets, they should also have this thing, no? They are taking away parking space for the people. They also don't have any sense. So there is a lot of it is also civic responsibility that is being done.
म्हणजे पे पार्किंग वडो ना पळय ते 2 व्हीलरचे पार्किंग 4 व्हीलर पार्क करताना पैसे दितात नॅशनला कडे बी आणि दुसऱ्याकडे आम्ही पहिलं की 2 व्हीलरचे पार्किंगचे साइन बोर्ड आहा प्लस तुमचे 4 व्हीलरचे साइन बोर्ड आहा दोन साइन बोर्ड कशे बोर्ड आसून सुद्धा दोन साइन बोर्ड एक तुमचे कॉस्ट सगळे थंयसर बरयल्लें 4 व्हिलर म्हणून ताच्या फाटल्यान 2 व्हिलर पार्किंग म्हणून बरयल्लें.
So whatever these issues are also now, no, I'll bring to this thing. Let them put it on record. So the contractor actually has some action can be taken against him also. This we will get done also.
खंयसरूय पार्क करून दवरता ते, खंयसरूय पार्क करून लायता आनी
That's what
पयशे
I'm saying,
घेता.
see, all of these issues now, we will have to tackle I will not be able to do everything in one shot. This will take at least 3-4 months, 5 months these traffic issues to resolve. I'm just asking. I know a lot of people are
पे
inconvenienced.
पार्किंग तुमचेच न्हू.
That's what I'm saying. No, so we will bring all of this now. Let them put it in writing also now. That the contractor has this thing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
सर आज जो स्मार्ट सिटी के थ्रू जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट पंजिम में चल रहे थे उनके रख रखाव के लिए भी सरकार क्या करेगी?
मेंटेनेंस
काफी सारे मेंटेनेंस है जो बिगड़े हुए
See, maintenance. See, we now in the promenade also has not been handed over to us officially. So right now we are maintaining it because people are using. So we have to get possession of the properties first to maintain it also. No, that is another thing also.
रोहित लास्ट एक तुम्ही गॅस पायपलाईन घालपाक लास्ट टायम तुमी हें केल्लें न्हू की पणजेन परत गॅस पायपलाईन घालूंक दिवचें ना म्हणून. सो आतां गॅस पायपलाईन चालू आहा काम.
See, now what they had approached us. Now there is because of this issue that is happening abroad and all, there's an urgent need. So what we have told the gas people also, don't break any of our roads, or whether it's currently work going on, do in those roads. That is totally fine. Now there are certain areas now opposite what's that hotel? Neptune, they've broken the footpath. Now I called that gas person.
इवन शांतीनगर आय थिंक.
Santini is also. So wherever there is this thing, I will make sure the reinstatement work is done. We'll get it done. But after that, on a case-to-case basis, we will sit and assess. Because now is not the time to. Anyway, they have banned CM has banned road digging, so that should not become a problem. It will only happen after thing.
What happened about that project about entertainment zone at the Pato?
Huh.
You last time you mentioned that.
Yeah, that it is. We are getting that notification done. But it is difficult to find bidders for that. This thing. Because this is a big project also now. So we are still looking for bidders. Somebody who will come and approach us. See, even then also now, even if that does not happen, Smart City has that area also. So those also have to be handed over to the corporation. So if that does not happen, then this will become a default thing. So it's okay. It's not a problem.
Thank you.
So the mangrove walk are full damaged झाला था.
See, that we want to remove also now. That fire that happened also is a good time to get rid of it. Because it will cost us more to repair it than just to keep it. So we are.
पण तेका कितलो कॉस्ट लागलेलो घालपाक?
That's the cost I don't know that I'm not.
पूण दुसरे बांधलेले थंयसर.
No, I'm not building anything.
Santini's creek cleaning का तो status
So basically, no, see, regular creek cleaning will happen. WRT is doing it. There is one proposal. We had a meeting conducted by a revenue secretary. So see, the idea now, Smart City had undertaken the work. It did not. The scope of work for theirs was too small. Okay, they had put aerators, they cleaned, they desilted and pulled walls and all. That work, whatever as per the tender they've done, it is finished. Now the problem is now there is no comprehensive plan for Talegaon, for Panjim, for everything. Like say for example, the mouth of the river has to be desilted, sewage has to be stopped from coming in, garbage has to be stopped. So what we've done is we have written now. I have the DPR with me. What will happen is on DPR will be floated by WRT department to appoint a national consultant. Now what will happen is in Chennai they have done the same thing. They have reclaimed around 32 square kilometers of. They are same. It is exactly like the Santanis. People used to throw garbage, there was sewage, and they've rectified. So now we want that to be done in Panjim. So for that, tender will be floated soon. Once the WRT department gives us approval, it will be floated through WRT to undertake the full Santanis Nala.
न्यू टेंडर काढलेलं.
Yeah, new tender done by that department that will comprehensively clean. We wanted to clean the thing once and for all. And see, this also now we intend to make public because the plans I believe now should be shown to the people so that they can give their input. More often than not, the government passes plans without consulting anybody and it becomes a problem for us only. So at least with the Nalla, what we want is to show the plans that the consultant has made so that people can give us feedback because the locals have a better understanding of what is happening in that area and they should be involved since it affects them.
मळ्यातली कितली घरां ती आतां?
Last question you said, man.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन. मळ्यातली ती घरां सील गेल्ली पळय.
farmers will be concerned that the farmers also will be concerned.
Everybody from the start of the Nalla note of the creek till the end, we want to consider for everywhere from Talegaon to Panjim. It is not only a Panjim project. It is a unified project for both Panjim and Talegaon. People of Kamrabad, people, farmers, residents, everybody will be consulted because we want a proper plan and we want to fix this issue finally.
So, लास्ट क्वेश्चन.